Blend phonics, the most effective way of delivering the 44 sounds of the English language. Reading is the key to education, and blend phonics is the key to reading. Yes. Okay, this is the baby U. Okay? The big U sounds like you, but the baby U sounds like the schwa sound. Okay? Baby U and the schwa sound is the same sound. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how the four graphemes that makes the schwa sound. Uh, uh, uh. Okay? First one, the UH. Baby U, what kind of sound does the UH make? Ah! Good. Okay. Baby U, what kind of sound does the baby U makes? Ah! Good. Okay. Now, baby U, what kind of sound does the upside down E makes? Ah! Good. Smart baby. Okay. Now, baby U, what kind of sound does the V turn upside down make? Ah! Good baby. Smart. Okay. You ready to go? Let's go. Let's show them how the schwa sound sounds in words. Okay? Good. Let's go. Okay. In this presentation, I will be blending the schwa sound. We're taking the A, E, I, O, U, all the graphemes up there in the black, and making them make the schwa sound. Okay, now if you, and by the way, I'm using Baby U. Baby U is going to help me out, with the schwa sound part of it. Now, if you see all of the letters, all of the graphemes up there in the orange box, okay? Those are the first 19 sounds of the English language. And each and every one of them can make the schwa sound, uh, uh, uh. Now, okay, now you see the U up there with the curve over the top? That's the baby U. So, in other words, the baby U and the schwa sound is one and the same, okay? The baby U can, the baby U sound, can take the A and make the A say, or the long double over the line across it, make the ooh sound say or make the say or the air say or the aur, it can make it say or the oir, the baby U can make it say the schwa sound. Okay, and the best way to deal with the schwa sound is through your dictionary. And when you're dealing with the schwa sound in the dictionary, especially dictionary.com, I like dictionary.com because if any of the graphemes up here making the schwa sound, you will see a UH in the pronunciation box, or I like to call it the sound box. Okay, and with American Heritage, you will see an E turned upside down. Okay, uh, except for the baby U itself, it will be a U with the curve over the top. Okay, so in this presentation, I'm going to show you. I'm going to blend a few of the AEIOU as making the schwa sound. Okay, let's ride. Baby U making the schwa sound, and you got to remember now that baby U, uh, 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 and the schwa sound is the same sound. Uh, uh, Baby U is the schwa sound. We maybe should call it Baby Schwa U. Baby Schwa U. Okay. Baby. Such. S. Such. 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 Okay, the man is having such a nice time. He's lying in his hammock, and the sun is shining, and he's having such a nice time. lying on in his hammock in the sun. Such a nice time. Such. Much. M. Much. 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 Okay, you see my little friend right here? He like, this is too much homework. I gotta read all of these books. This is too much homework. Too much homework. Much. Crush. Cr. Crush. 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 Okay, you see? We crushed the cans. See? You crushed the cans. Crush cans. Okay? Good. Crush. Brush. Burr. Brush. 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 Okay? See the little boy? The little boy is brushing his teeth. Gotta brush your teeth real good because you don't want no cavities. Brush your teeth. Brush. Crutch. Cur. Crutch. 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 Okay, you see the lady? The lady have two crutches under her arms. Two crutches. Okay? To help her walk because her leg is hurting. Crutch. A, making the baby U schwa sound. Uh, uh, uh. Above. Uh, uh, b. Above. 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 E is silent. Okay, you see the lady? See, she pointing up. She pointing up. There's a light bulb. There's a light bulb above her head. Okay, a light bulb is above her head. Above. About. Uh. B. Ow. Bout. 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 About. Okay, you see the tree? The tree is about to fall. So you got to get out of the way because the tree is about to fall. About. Agree. Uh, uh, grr, e, gree, agree, agree. Okay, now agree and disagree. Okay, I'm gonna say okay, like if I okay, here are some green peas. If I say green peas are very good and tasty, then if you agree with me that they are very good and tasty, then you put a thumbs up. It means you agree with me. But if you say, nope, green peas are not good and tasty, I don't like green peas, I disagree, then you put a thumb down, okay? Agree means you like green peas, they are good and tasty. Disagree means you don't like green peas, they are not good and tasty, okay? But they're good for you. Eat plenty of them, okay? Good. Agree. Banana. B. B. N. A. Na. Nan. Uh. B. Nan. Bananas. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. Banana. afraid. Uh, uh, fur, a, frayed, 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 afraid. Okay, you see the man, he's running, he's afraid of that bad billy goat. Billy goat trying to catch him, he's afraid of that billy goat. Afraid. E, making the baby U schwa sound. Uh, uh, uh. Problem. Per, ah. Prob. Prob. L. Uh. L. Lum. Prob. Lum. Problem. Okay, see this banana right here? This banana is good banana. But you see this banana here? This banana has a problem. It's rotten. Okay? See this tire here? This is a good tire. But you see this tire right here? This tire has a problem. It's flat. Okay? Now, you see these shoelaces right here? These shoelaces is tied up correctly. Okay? That's good. But now you see these shoelaces right here? These shoelaces here has a problem. They are not tied up, and you will trip down and fall. Okay? So solve the problem. Okay? Celebrate. S, e, se, oh, sell. Uh, Bur, a, break, break, sell, break, celebrate. Okay, E is silent. Okay, you see the people there? They are celebrating at a birthday party, like we're having a party, celebrating the birthday. Celebrate. Anthem. A, and th. Th, thumb, and thumb. Anthem. Okay? Okay, now, the American national anthem is called the Star Spangled Banner. And these are the words to the Star Spangled Banner. Write them down, okay? So you when you hear it, you'll know the words to it, and you can sing it, okay? Um, and we're talking about whether bombs bursting in the air, okay? All through the night, but the next day, guess what? The flag was still flying. She was flying high. Yes, good. Anthem. Moment. M. O. Mo. M. Ma. Nt. Mint. Moment. Moment. Okay. You see the lady sitting down at her desk there? She's on the phone. Somebody walk in the room, say, "Hey, Miss Johnson, someone's here to see you." She put her finger up like that. She say, one moment, please. I'm on the phone. One moment. As soon as I finish talking on the phone, I'll be right with him. One moment, please. Moment. System. S, E, C, S, sis. T, tum, tum. System. System. Okay. Now here's an apple. A system is like a set of connecting things or parts, forming a complex whole in particular. Okay. Like example, see the apple there? Okay, the apple got a stem, apple got a leaf, the apple got seeds, the apple got the flesh that you eat, and the apple got skin. All of that stuff comes together and forms a whole, the system of an apple. Okay? Another example. Here's you see this bicycle right here? Okay? This bicycle got a system that makes it a bicycle. It's got a tire, it's got a rim, it's got a seat, it's got a frame, it's got a steering, it's got handlebars, it's got shocks, it's got disc brakes, it's got pedals, and it has a chain. All of this stuff together comes together and make a whole bicycle. It makes a system. Okay? That's the system of a bicycle. Okay? Good. System. Even. E. E. V. V. Van. Even. Even. Okay? Show you some numbers here. See the 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Okay? And 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Okay? Even numbers, odd numbers. Even. I making the baby U schwa sound. Uh, uh, uh. Animal. Ah, and uh, uh, m, ma, oh, mo, and mo. Animal. Okay, now I'm going to show you some animals. This is a cow. This is a pig. This is a chicken. This is a duck. This is two goats and a black stallion horse, a sheep, and this is a palomino horse. Okay, those are animals. April. A. A. Per. Pro. All. Pro. A. Pro. April. Okay. April is the April is the springtime when the leaves grow on the trees and the flowers bloom. And July is the summertime when it's hot, hot, hot in the summertime. And October is the fall when the leaves fall off the trees and turn brown. Okay. And January is the winter time when the snow gets on the ground and it's cold, cold, cold. But April is the springtime when the leaves grow on the trees and the flowers bloom. April. Family. F. A. Fam. Fam. Uh. L. E. Lee. Fam. Lee. Family. Okay, now I'm going to show you some family of ducks. Okay, there's the two parent ducks and the baby ducks. Okay, now I'm going to show you a family of chickens. The two parent chickens and the baby chickens. Okay, family. Pencil. P, e, pe, pen. S, so, so, pen, so, pencil. Okay, here is a beautiful pencil. A pencil. Principal. Per, e, prin, prin. S, s, p, pa, paul, print, sa, paul, principal. Okay, now you see in this principle, the I next to the S, it makes the schwa sound and the A between the P and the L, it makes the schwa sound So that shows you all the vowels can make the schwa sound. Okay? And right here, this is the school principal. Okay? The school principal. O, making the baby U schwa sound. Uh, uh, ah. Mother. M. M. The. There. There. Mother. Okay, it's like this is a mother giraffe and her baby. Okay, and this is a mother bear and three little cubs crawling all over her back. Okay, and this is a mother elephant and her little baby elephant. Mother. Other. Uh, uh, the, third, third, other. Okay? Now, you can have this rabbit, or you can have the other rabbit. You can have this cat, or you can have the other cat. Okay? The big cat, which is a tiger. See? Others like that rabbit or the other rabbit. Which one you want? This cat or the other cat? Which one do you want? One or the other? Good. Come. K. Come. 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 E is silent. Okay, you see when the finger is like that right there? You see when mama put her finger like that right there, and she not talking to you, and she wiggling that finger like that, that finger mean come here. You know you done something wrong, don't you? Oh yes. Come here. That's what that finger mean. Come. Love. L. Love. 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 E is silent. Okay, it's like I love red velvet cake. And I also love strawberry ice cream. Yum yum. I love it. Of. V. V. Of. Okay, I got 12 blue circles. Okay? Now, one of them is red. Now, two of them is red. One of them is green now. Now, two of them is green. One of them is yellow. Now, two of them is yellow. One of them is purple. Now, two of them is purple. One of them is orange. Now, two of them is orange. Now, two of them is blue. Okay? Now, all of them are blue again. Of. No child left behind.